Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Melissa and today I'm going to be showing you guys what my favorite cleaning products are. These are staple products for me. I use these in my household almost every day, at least once every week. So I want to show these to you guys because I think they're worth a mention. They're worth the money. Some of them are not that much, and I think they are worth having around the house for everyday cleanup. So first of all, I'll go ahead and start with the Method Daily Shower. This is a natural shower cleaner. This is in the scent Eucalyptus Mint. So it smells really, really nice, calming. It makes the bathroom just feel nice, clean, and fresh. It is non-toxic, plant-based, power green technology, cleans without having to rinse. So what you do is you spray the solution in your shower and around the bottom of your bathtub every day or every other day. I usually do like every 3 days, to be honest. So you just spray it in the shower and it helps to keep it clean. It helps the lime scale, it helps the dirt and everything not to build up on the shower so that you don't have to scrub your shower as often. So I really love it, and like I said, I really love the smell. Just spray it on there, then it just kind of rinses away the next time you take a shower. Up next is the Clorox Bathroom Bleach Foamer. This is the original foamer. So you just spray this and it literally comes out like a foam, which I love because you can spray it around the top rim of the toilet and it kind of sticks to the side of the toilet. You don't have to worry about it being just like straight bleach that's just going to go straight down into the water. This will actually stick to the sides for a little while, long enough for it to do its job, kill the germs, kill the bacteria, get rid of any funkiness you've got going on in there. I also use this in the shower whenever I am doing a deep cleaning because it gets all those yucky germs out and it cleans fantastic. Of course, this is Clorox, so it does have the Clorox scent, but it's not as strong as straight bleach. I find that I can tolerate this much better in the small bathroom than I can just straight up Clorox because it's not as strong of a scent. And guys, everything I'm mentioning in this video, I will have linked down below so you can find it yourself if you're an online shopper or if you just want to check out the ingredients or anything like that. Up next is the Method Air Refresher. This is a continuous spray air freshener. Pretty much is what it is. I will spray this on like my throw pillows, the blankets that I keep in my living room, just spritz around the room, on your curtains, anything like that. This is in the scent Sweet Tangerine and it smells amazing. I'm not a person that likes floral scents. They give me migraines, so any kind of fruit, stuff like that, that's my jam. I love it. This smells so, so good. It does not linger around a long time, so if you do not like a spray that's going to stay in the air a very long time, this is a good one. I would say you can smell this spray for about an hour at a time. So it's good to go ahead and spray right before you're going to have guests over. If you just want to freshen up the place while you're cleaning or something like that, it is great. It smells amazing. These I actually found at Ross, and this is the first time that I have used, like I've had this for like months and months now, but at Ross is the first time I had purchased these, and it is the Weimans stainless steel wipes in the container like this. The wipes are, I actually paid $2.99 for this at Ross, so that is fantastic. Yes, I love Ross. But the little square sheets are only about that big, and it literally only takes one sheet to clean my entire refrigerator. It polishes it. It's insane. Like, these wipes aren't even that wet. They're barely damp, and you just like scrub in circular motions with the cloth and it literally makes your refrigerator look like new. I have used stainless steel spray removers, vinegar, everything, and my refrigerator has never looked as good as it does now that I have these wipes. I will absolutely repurchase these no matter how much they are because they are fantastic. Highly recommend these. Go get you some of these. If you've been cleaning your refrigerator like crazy and the streaks won't come off, that is what you need. Up next, for my dishes and for my hands, I use the Method dish soap. This one is in the scent Clementine, and I have also used the Island Breeze scent. Both are fantastic, but this foams up amazing. I even clean my sinks out with this, like at the end of washing dishes, and it foams up so much. I love a sudsy foamy dish soap, and this is my go-to right here. I love this. And this is actually a big bottle. This is 18 fluid ounces. Up next, I have kids, I have pets, and I have carpet. So I picked up this Rug Doctor brand. This is the spot remover. It removes tough stains, grease, ink, coffee, eliminates odor, safe for kids and pets. This is in the scent Catch a Wave. So it is the red with the blue label, and you can get this pretty much anywhere. It is just, like I said, the Rug Doctor brand. I just spray it on any spots that I have on my carpet. I let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes, and then I scrub it up, and the spot is completely gone. I have a very light tan carpet, if that helps you in any kind of way. So it works perfect for my light colored carpets. All right, guys, and last but not least, if you have been to my channel before and seen any of my cleaning videos or anything like that, you know that this is my holy grail multi-surface cleaner. It continues to be. I have tried, like I said, all the method stuff, some Mrs. Meyer's and things like that, but this right here is my go-to every single time. Plus, it kills 99.9% of germs, bacteria, viruses. So I use this for the surfaces where we eat, where I cook, because, you know, obviously I don't want to get E. coli or none of that stuff. Nobody wants that. So this is in the scent Lemon Breeze, and it is absolutely amazing. I use it even in the bathrooms for the bathroom sink countertops. I use it for that as well. If you're like me and you're allergic to a lot of the strong scented products, this one right here is very, very good because it makes your house smell clean, but it's not overpowering, and it is nice to walk into the bathroom and it smell like lemons and not a bathroom. So yes, highly, highly recommend this. Absolutely love this stuff. All right, guys, that was it for my staple, holy grail products I use in my house every day, week, month. I love these so, so much. Highly recommend them. I'll link all of them down below in the description. If you have not subscribed to my channel already, please do so. What are you waiting for? I make videos 3 times a week about mom life, food, what we eat in a week. We got a new puppy that we're trying to get used to, so I'm a new mom now, and I'm super, super tired. And I'm thinking about maybe putting her in some of our vlogs and stuff like that. So please stick around. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell so you'll be notified every time one of my videos uploads. And I will see you guys in the next one.